Hello everybody, I recently uploaded a video where I upgrade my laptop MSI DIMM GF63 with memory, Kingston memory, the Fury, but the problem was when I inserted the memory my laptop started crashing. So the memory eventually I returned it because it was possibly broken. It was not functioning correct. So I ordered this crucial memory, 2 times 32 gigabytes with DDR4 3200 megahertz SODIMM, 1.2 voltage and CL22 timing. So this is the crucial memory. As you can see it's this. I bought two pieces. 2 times 32 gigabytes makes 64 gigabytes. So this is the unboxing video of this. It's not a big unboxing video, it's something small. It's just opening like this. And you have it. It's that. This was the unboxing video. Very small. I hope you liked it. I will show you the print. This is the print. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe because we are giving away laptops, smartphones, digital radios, a lot of good stuff to subscribers to our channel. If you are selected, you hear from us. You only have to subscribe and that's everything you have to do. So please subscribe. Bye.